cooking shaved steak in the air fryer. So this is a shaved beef steak from Aldi. So it's raw beef, and I'm going to air fry it. So let's take out the air fryer basket, and now I'm going to open the package of beef shaved steak. And let's just put it in the air fryer basket. And I'm going to break up this meat. So if you get it at the frozen section, make sure it's defrosted before cooking. So I just kept it in my fridge overnight, because if it's a one frozen block, it's not going to cook evenly. So here I now spread shaved steak, so it's in a single layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to set the time to 8 minutes. Now I'm halfway through the cooking time. Let's take out the air fryer basket. So see, it's already, starting to cook, but we need to break it up and mix it up so it cooks more evenly. It actually looks like it's almost cooked. But see, on some parts inside it's pink because they weren't exposed to the air, so that's why we're mixing it. And now let's put the basket back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. So now the air fryer is done cooking. So let's take a look at the shaved steak. It looks amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. So just take a look and make sure it's all evenly cooked and no pink, because shaved steak, it should be cooked to a well done temperature. So if you think yours is still pink and not fully cooked, just put it back in the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for a few more minutes until it's fully cooked. Also try it and see if it needs seasoning. So that particular brand, it's not seasoned, so I'm going to sprinkle it with salt and pepper. But some brands of packaged shaved steak already come pre-seasoned, so just try it before adding more salt, because who knows, maybe it's been seasoned before, you don't want to make it too salty. So I'm just going to sprinkle it with some salt and pepper, just keeping it simple, and you can add any other seasonings you like. And mix it, and the shaved steak is done. So let's take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. So there's many ways to enjoy it. You can just have it as is over some rice or pasta, or just enjoy it plain with some veggies, or you can mix it with barbecue sauce, just any bottled barbecue sauce, and it's going to be so flavorful. And put it on bread. It's great with those long sub rolls. Makes an awesome sandwich, better than a restaurant. So now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love steak. So it's perfectly cooked. Amazing. It's so tender. It's so delicious. You will love it. So if you like easy cooking like this, please check out my free cooking club for everyday home cooks called everydaycookingclub.com. So there we can post and exchange recipes. You can post any cooking questions, and I will personally answer them. So go to everydaycookingclub.com and check it out. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!